Hi folks, my name's Ken Quick. Welcome to Guarantee RV. I'm a retired teacher and coach from Idaho. If you have any questions about this coach or any other coach, please give me a call, 208-250-8625. We're going to take a look at this 2018 Winnebago 22R built on an E350 chassis. Let's go inside and take a look around. Okay, on this coach we've got a nice corner bed with a corner bath. You've got some storage up above here. Corner bath gives you a little extra room. Got a nice mirror storage in the corner. Real simple coach, no slides. We've got big closet space in this one right here. Drawers underneath. As we move into the kitchen area here, we've got a nice two-door refrigerator, top bottom with freezer. Got a fan and lights for underneath here in the cooking area, 3-burner stove, gas oven, and a microwave. Right up here we've got some storage. And across from the sink we've got the dinette right here. Nice U-shaped dinette. More storage up above. As we move forward, yes, you got this overhead sleep area right here. TV's going to swing out, and it's got a DVD player right up here. As you see underneath here, you've got nice mirrors, you've got cruise control, electric windows, all the bells and whistles. Let's go outside and take a look around. This coach is equipped with an electric awning. Makes it really nice. Turn that power off. Here's your tank fill. Nice big storage area, room for barbecue, lawn chairs, everything else. Come around the back, another access to that storage area right here. There's your backup camera. Your receiver and electrical is all right there in case you want to tow something. Got the Santa flush to rinse out your black tank here. Right under here is all your sewage area for your dump. As we move forward here, this is your electrical cord, stores right in there. Propane, easy access right there. And your generator. 4,000 awning generator. Coming around the front. This coach is built on an E350 chassis, Ford. If you have any questions about this coach or any other coach, please give me a call, 208-250-8625. Ken Quick. They call me the coach. Looking forward to talk to you in the near future. Have a great day.